People have been stuck at home and all of us are more horny. Are you sure your hands are sanitized? Do not take off the mask like that, okay? Because chalan walan bhi hai. कितना at the mask. Okay, so ऐसे निकले हुए हम मास्क पहन के अप्रोच करना है. How do we approach now? I'm gonna give you day game, night game. See, if you're going out of the clubs, there are not a lot of people in the club. If you're going to the clubs right now, there are not going to be a lot of people. But still, if you want to go out, you can still go out. Go out with your friends and just be in that environment. Just socialize with people. All right. Just careful. Keep the COVID precautions in mind. All right, because clubs में people don't wear a mask, so keep your interactions to a minimal. Although they take your temperature and everything, वो सारी चीजें हो रही हैं. I don't want to give any medical advice out here. अपने ऊपर रखो, तुम्हारा risk है जो भी है. At the same time, I wouldn't want you to like write off online dating. All right, like I already sent you the link for Maximize Your Matches, my very छोटा सा 4 to 6 hour का course है और 50 plus videos on how to create an online profile, how to groom yourself, how to style yourself, and all that. Grooming वगैरह के ऊपर. The ideal thing would be that you do online dating and you do social circle, you start going out, then cold approach as well, all right? And then get people on Instagram or get the number and stuff and then move ahead from there, however you're going to be doing it. Coming back to the part that भाई लड़कियां भी wait कर रही हैं, they do want to meet someone, they do want to meet a cool guy. So this is like one of the best times for you to go out because right now demand and supply बहुत तगड़ा चल रहा है, all right? Guys are not out there, no one is going out, no one is doing the approaches. Be the first mover, right? Take the first mover advantage, go to that approach. It's going to be fun. Now the basic calibration that you got to keep in mind, you got the mask on you. In the mask on you guys can see I'm smiling, right? जब मैं ऐसे करता हूँ. Why? Because these are मेरी eyes है. What is this? You know I'm smiling inside. So the eye contact is what is the main thing here. All right. Even if she cannot see you smile, but when you smile like this, ऐसे जैसे तुम हंस रहे हो, हंसते हुए तुम approach कर रहे हो. So she can see your eyes squinting and stuff because of facial understanding. Like you guys know when I'm smiling, right? Am I smiling now? Or am I smiling now? अब बताओ, first या second? When am I smiling? Am I still smiling? Is it there? Also, मेरी आंखों में क्या चल रहा है? Do you think I'm cool? Do you think I'm having fun? Or do you think I'm scared? Do you think I'm like, right? Or I'm like, okay. So facial expression से फर्क पड़ता है. Now, smile, go to the girl, approach, be like, hi, excuse me, and then run your normal opener. I think you're cute, or like, I have a question. I really like the shoes that you're wearing. They look fucking amazing. Hi, excuse me, hello. And I'm smiling. I'm like, hi, excuse me, hello. I have a question. And that's how I open, right? So I say one line and then I just go down like this. Or let's say if I'm doing a direct open, I'm like, excuse me, hello. I haven't been out for a long time, but I think you're cute. You're amazing. And I just want to say hi. I mean, it's been the lockdown at the time. सब घर पे ही फंसे हुए हैं. So I want to say hi to you. What's your name? Okay. And then after that, you can create jokes. You can be like, rather than shaking your hands, you can be like, you can give like a fist bump or you can be like elbow five, let's go elbow five. Tease her a bit more. You can be like, are you sure your hands are sanitized? Wait, जेब से निकालो sanitizer here. Put your hands. I don't want that coronavirus from you. I don't want the vid. I don't want it at all. Here, clean it up. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. ऐसी चीजें नहीं चाहिए मुझे लाइफ में. You can open like that. Similarly with an indirect open as well, right? I want to ask her about, does this sweatshirt make me look like it's on a hanger right now because I'm so thin? All right. So let's say I want to ask her that. So I'm going to go up to her. I'm like, hi, excuse me. I have a question. All right. I have a question. मैंने बहुत दिन बाद बाहर आया हूं. And this is a new sweatshirt that I've gotten. Plus I've lost a lot of weight. So the thing is, do you think this sweatshirt makes me look like I'm a hanger और उसके ऊपर ये sweatshirt किसी ने ऐसी टांग रखी है? And she's going to be like, no, it looks amazing. मैं कहा, अच्छा, really? You think it looks amazing? तो मतलब मेरे पैसे वेस्ट नहीं हुए हैं. मतलब मेरे पिताजी ग्रेट है. मतलब मैंने मेहनत का पैसा जो स्वेटशर्ट पे डाला है वो सही चल गया है. Alright, then you can be like, alright, ठीक है, great. So what? Like, I mean, do you know a lot about fashion though? Like, you seem like you do, but like थोड़ा सा cool बन रहे होते हैं लोग or whatever. And continue the conversation and just be like, what's your name? Like, इसके बाद ही you can be like, all right, yeah, thank you so much. What's your name? Okay, Kshitij, nice to meet you. What's up? Also, actually, I've been home इतने दिन से. Like, you can literally use this, yeah. I've been home for a long time. I want to go out and socialize with people. Okay, because मैं पक गया हूँ, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया है. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And you've opened the set and then run it normally. Do not take off the mask like that, okay? Because chalan walan bhi hai. But at the open, as soon as you say one line, I usually take it off like this so that she can see me smiling. She can look at my eyes. I can look at her face. Now, one question that I get from, and then you can put it up or you can pull it here and then you can put it up again. At least the vibe is set, all right? The set hook ho gaya jab ek baar. Now, in this thing, one of the things that people ask me all the time is, bro, how do we know if the girl is attractive or not when we approach her? I mean, how do you know I'm smiling when I'm wearing the mask? All right. So just see, you can look at a girl, but itna sa part to nahi dikh raha hai na. You can, like, I can notice like how a girl is walking. I can notice the clothes she's wearing. I can notice the sense of style, the confidence she has in her walk, the eye contact if she's looking around more here and there, how her hair are, and I can see if I kind of like sort of like her or not, or at least I'm intrigued. And at this point, I would not even want you to be like कि you got to talk to a girl that you're really interested in. We're only talking about talking यार. पहले जाके बातें तो करनी स्टार्ट करो लोगों से. नॉर्मली सोशलाइज करना तो स्टार्ट करो. उसके बाद देख लो कि लड़की मतलब आई मीन डोंट थिंक अबाउट वन डायमेंशनली दैट यू ओनली वांट टू टॉक टू अ गर्ल जिसके साथ कुछ रोमांटिक या सेक्सुअली होने वाला है. भाई नॉर्मली भी तो बात कर सकते हो. तुम वार्म अप कर रहे हो. यू नेवर अप्रोच समवन. यू आर एटलीस्ट बिल्डिंग योर स्किल सेट. देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू. यू कैन मेक हर योर फ्रेंड. काफी चीजें हैं. डोंट जस्ट थिंक वन डायमेंशनली. सो लेट्स से व्हेन आई ओपन अ गर्ल एंड वी आर वेयरिंग अ मास्क एंड स्टफ, आई ओपन हर, आई टॉक टू हर नॉर्मली, आई पुल माय मास्क डाउन, एंड थोड़ी देर बाद इफ she is not pulling a mask down, usually she will pull a mask down, all right? That I've noticed with everybody. I just go like, just pull your mask down. I ask her. People are like, bro, मैं शक्ल कैसे देखूं? After you, not at the start. After you've hooked, you're talking, थोड़ी बात हो रही है, she's chilling with you ऐसे ऐसे, then and she's enjoying the conversation with you, all right? Fun में बात हो रही है, then just be like, just pull down your mask, yeah. And if she says, usually she'll just pull down her mask. If she says why, बोल, because I want to look at your face. You could be a dangerous stalker or a murderer जिसकी यहाँ पे आतंकवादी करके फोटो छपी होती है. What if you're that? Teasing, having fun, and she's gonna mostly pull it down, all right? ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ जो बंदी ने नो बोला. यूजुअली शी इज लाइक व्हाई. वो भी बहुत, इट्स लाइक 1 in 10 हुआ है वो भी मेरे साथ. इफ आई एनी टाइम आई टेल अ गर्ल, मैं पुल डाउन योर मास्क, लेट मी लुक एट योर फेस, हाउ डू यू रियली लुक. और अगर किसी ने नो बोला है तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है. एंड आई हैव गॉटन नंबर्स, इंस्टाग्राम, एंड दैट हैज लेड ऑन टू डेट्स एंड मोर थिंग्स एंड मोर थिंग्स एंड मोर थिंग्स एंड एक्सप्लिसिट थिंग्स एज वेल. So I did a boot camp अभी. ठीक है. Boot camp में मतलब we approached like 50-100 people during the course of a boot camp. So when the boot camp was happening, in the starting only, this hesitation of approaching in a mask and everyone is wearing a mask, people are not going to talk to me, ये बस ना starting में रहेगा और ये बस hesitation है. इसको दिमाग में डालो. This is just hesitation. तो वो hesitation शुरू में रहेगा बस, and once you do those approaches, थोड़े time बाद you will forget that you are wearing a mask, you will forget that other people are wearing a mask, and you will forget that masks are fucking hindrance. It's normal यार. No, भाई नंगे पैदा होते हैं. ठीक है. अब सबने कपड़े पहने, नॉर्मल है ना. तो दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर फकिंग गारमेंट ओनली. तो यू विल नो हाउ टू कैलिब्रेट. इट विल बिकम योर डिफॉल्ट स्टेट. अभी ना हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हमने पास्ट में जी रहे हैं. हम जी रहे हैं कि भाई पहले यार लॉकडाउन के पहले इतना सही मास्क नहीं होते थे, बड़ा आसान होता था, ये होता था, वो होता था, होता था, तो भाई ये होता था, वो होता था, और ये होना चाहिए था कि अभी भी कोई मास्क ना पहले, और ये हो जाए तो ये हो जाए, फिर ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए, और अमिताभ बच्चन मेरे घर का नौकर बन जाए. अरे भैंचो, रियलिटी में जी लो. जो होता था वो हो गया है. ठीक है. व्हाटएवर यूज्ड टू हैपन हैज हैपेंड. नाउ व्हाट इज द रियलिटी राइट नाउ? नाउ द रियलिटी इज पीपल आर वेयरिंग अ मास्क. एक्सेप्ट दैट रियलिटी, मूव द फक ऑन. स्टॉप लिविंग इन द पास्ट. एक पांव हमारा भैंचो अतीत में, एक भैंचो भविष्य में. इसीलिए तो हम आज पे मुँह रहे हैं. One leg is in the fucking past, one is in the future, and that is why we are fucking peeing all over the present right now. Get over it, go out, and then make this your reality. Once you do a couple of approaches, this is going to be your reality. Like the first hour was when we were thinking कि अच्छा mask है, like the clients were thinking. और जब मैं पहली बार बाहर गया था अभी during the lockdown, that's what I was thinking. अभी तो plus all of the places have opened up anyway. सारी चीजें खुल गई हैं. All the markets, everyone has started to go out. It's all chill. So go out. वो बस शुरू में ही थोड़ा सा रहेगा, and of course you don't want to get चालान as well. So ऐसे करके थोड़ा सा नीचे करा, and then you pull it back up again, and इधर उधर, just be aware. Step on the side. Normal game after that. No changes. जो पहले तुम करते थे वैसे ही तुम अभी कर रहे हो. बस एक सिंपल सा तुम्हें ये पार्ट ऐड करना है बस. Literally बस ये पार्ट ऐड करना है. This is the only thing you got to add right in the open. That's it. Nothing else changes. बाकी सारी चीजें तुम्हारे दिमाग में ओवर थिंकिंग है, हेजिटेशन है, और बकचोदी है. Got it? बस यही है. इतनी सी बात है. Go forth and conquer my child. जाओ, आग लगाओ, बुंड फाड़ो जाके.